This video is for class 6 subject biology. We are doing the last part of chapter number 4. So social disease. Survey and statistics have shown that the certain bad habits lead to some disease which can easily be avoided by awareness and attention. So in our society we have seen some kind of disease that can be controlled by some awareness. Like one of them is alcoholism. Addiction to alcohol is called alcoholism. High dose of alcohol for a long period of time affect the brain and cause loss of judgment, self-control, emotional control, etc. So by using alcohol, a person brain can get affected. So he lost the loss of judgment, यानी कि वो सोचने समझने का सलाहियत जो है वो कम हो जाता है, कैपेसिटी कम हो जाता है, सेल्फ कंट्रोल, आदमी अपने होश में नहीं रहता है, सो इट इज़ अनएबल टू कंट्रोल हिमसेल्फ. Liver cell synthesis excess fat from alcohol which causes fatty liver or in advanced cases liver cirrhosis. So this is the name which is related with the disease of liver, where what happens, the liver become fatty and its functions are get affected. Too much of alcohol also increases blood pressure and affects the working of the heart. So alcoholism means to use alcohol in a daily basis, that is called the addiction of alcohol. It affects the brain and it affects the liver, and it may cause liver cirrhosis, and it also has effect on blood pressure. It increases the blood pressure. So alcoholism is a disease. Addiction to alcohol is called alcoholism. Now another one is drug addiction. The physical and mental dependence on drug is called addiction. Means if we are using a particular type of drugs or medicine for a particular time of period or continuously, that is called addiction. Drugs usually include narcotics like opium, heroin and methadone. These are the name of the some drugs that the person become addicted to this. Continuous use of these drugs suppress the brain function and also has an adverse effect on the respiratory and cardiac center. So if we use such kind of drugs continuously, so it may hamper our brain function and also the respiratory system. Now taking hallucinogens like charas, bhang, etc. disturbs feelings and perceptions also. So these are other name of the drugs. Third one is chewing tobacco. It causes mouth cancer and also increases the risk of lung cancer, heart attack and increased blood pressure. So these are the effect of the using tobacco on daily basis. Smoking of cigarette which have tobacco also affects the throat, lungs and trachea. Now you have to learn all these names. These are called social disease. This kind of disease like alcoholism or chewing tobacco, the use of tobacco, these are bad habits developed by a person that can be avoided by making them aware of its bad effects. Another one is hygiene, how we can get rid of this kind of habits. Apart from keeping ourselves clean and healthy, we should also keep our surrounding clean as part of our community hygiene. Unclean surroundings are often the breeding ground of the mosquitoes. If in our home or हम लोग के घर के आसपास क्या होगा, if there is a pile of garbage or stagnant water is there, so there will be mosquitoes and flies that carries disease from one infected person to the healthy person, like mosquito, cockroach, rat, flies, etc. So we can take the help of our municipal bodies for maintaining community hygiene. अपने आसपास सफाई सुथराई रखने को हम लोग कम्युनिटी हाइजीन बोलते हैं. पर्सनल हाइजीन यानी खुद साफ़ सुथरे रहेंगे, नहाएंगे, खाना खा कर के हाथ धोएंगे, खाना खाने से पहले हाथ धोएंगे, अपने आसपास अगर हम लोग सफाई रखते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द फॉर आवर ओन सेल्फ, दैट इज पर्सनल हाइजीन. Now reason for unhygienic environmental condition. Due to uncontrolled growth of the population, there are too many people living in a small house without proper toilet and drainage facilities. This is one of the major cause of the pollution in our surrounding. Since more people are living in urban areas, cities, that is more houses, roads, hospital, etc. So they are being built, resulting in the overcrowding. In a particular place, if lots of houses are there, then there will be no open space, so people will also get less oxygen, and due to such population there will be a great amount of wastage also, waste material that will produce the bed for the mosquitoes and cockroaches. More industries are being set up to give employment to more people, and thus the surroundings are becoming untidy and unhygienic. Measure. So how can we measure to do some what we can do to maintain proper community hygiene? What should be our responsibility? Provision of safe drinking water is a basic necessity. Safe and clean drinking water is vital to public health and well-being of our society. As you can see that in areas outside on the road, you can see there is availability of the safe and clean drinking water, because it is the most basic thing that public needs. Water can be made safe for drinking by using chlorine tablets which kill microorganisms. How can we use a pure water or water which is safe for drinking? We can use the chlorine tablet which kill microorganisms, using a crystal of aluminium for sedimentation of suspended particles in muddy water. If there is muddy water, it can be pure, or it can make turn into the safe water by using crystals of aluminium. इट इज़ अ कंपाउंड. ये हम लोग केमिस्ट्री में पढ़े थे, कि हम लोग वाटर के चैप्टर में पढ़े थे कि हम लोग प्यूरिफाई या पोर्टेबल वाटर कैसे बना सकते हैं. सो दिस पॉइंट्स आर फ्रॉम दैट. रिमूविंग सस्पेंडेड इम्प्यूरिटीज बाय द मेथड ऑफ सेडिमेंटेशन एंड डिकांटेशन, ये भी हम लोग केमिस्ट्री के चैप्टर में अभी पढ़े हैं रिसेंटली. बॉइलिंग वाटर विच हेल्प्स टू किल जर्म्स. सो दिस इज द वन बेसिक पॉइंट नंबर 4 and 1. Using water purifier that helps in removing the harmful microorganism present in water and preserving the taste of water. So this is a picture of one water purifier which helps in making the water safe for drinking. In order to maintain community hygiene, proper disposal and treatment of waste is necessary. So you can mark till here that point number 2 is very important, that how we can contribute in the community hygiene. Collecting garbage from house, segregating the biodegradable waste and dumping them along with the solid waste in landfills which are located far away from human settlement. ये सेग्रीगेटिंग का मतलब क्या होता है कि हम लोग जैसे पढ़ते हैं कि हम लोग जो है वो फूड के वेस्ट से हम लोग क्या बना सकते हैं, कंपोजिट बना सकते हैं. उसको हम लोग एक पर्टिकुलर मेथड से हम लोग उसको कंपोजिट बना सकते हैं, खाद बना सकते हैं, जो हम लोग के एग्रीकल्चर पर्पज़ में इस्तेमाल होगा. Now composting is another method which the biodegradable waste material are collected from the houses by the municipal corporation are put up into a deep pit made on the land. इसमें क्या किया जाता है कि जो वेस्ट मटेरियल होता है, फूड का वेस्ट मटेरियल, उसको एक लार्ज पिट में जमा किया जाता है. जो कूड़ा से या गार्बेज से मिलता है वहाँ पर से फूड मटेरियल को, वेस्ट फूड मटेरियल को लार्ज पिट में डाल दिया जाता है. द वेस्ट इन द पिट इज कवर्ड बाय सॉइल एंड अलाउड टू डिकम्पोज बाय माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म. दिस माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म कन्वर्ट द वेस्ट इनटू मैन्योर. मैन्योर यानी कि खाद बना देता है, उसको फर्टिलाइज़र बना देता है, उसके जो कि बेस्ट टाइप ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर प्रोड्यूस करने में हेल्प करेगा. When compositing is done by earthworm, it is called wormy compositing because it is done with the help of the different microorganisms. In big cities, the liquid waste from houses and hotels are carried by sewage pipe into the treatment plant. Waste water after treatment can be recycled and used for irrigation or other purpose. क्योंकि वेस्ट वाटर जो होता है उसको इरिगेशन पर्पज़ में तो हम लोग कुछ हद तक केमिकल से साफ़ करने के बाद इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. इन ऑर्डर टू मेंटेन क्लीन सराउंडिंग वी शुड फॉलो the 3R rule, that is reduce, recycle and reuse. How we can reduce का मतलब क्या होता है कि अगर आप जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बेकार सामान इस्तेमाल करना बंद कर देते हैं, that is become the reduce or reduction of the sources of the natural sources of our surrounding. Recycle that we can see that the paper that are recycled, the water that is being recycled. Then the reuse. Planting of trees and setting up parks also help to purify the environment. Now health services for school children and proper vaccination help to keep them healthy. So these are the some methods by which we can maintain the community hygiene. So this is the end of the chapter. Thank you.